today's video, we're going to be unveiling the contents of my January Faves by Miss Vaughn subscription box. I'm really excited about this box, but before we get into it, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my subscription box service. If you guys are not familiar with my subscription box, it is a bi-monthly beauty and lifestyle box. I will post a link so that you guys can check out the initial announcement if you are not familiar with it. But for everyone who did subscribe, I just want to say thank you so much for all of the support, and I hope you guys are loving your subscription so far. For every month, what I hope to do and what we've been doing is including items that I love and enjoy and that I hope you guys do too. A lot of them will be things that I've talked about all the time on my channel, things that I obviously love and use over and over, but there will be other things that we will be sort of exploring together, new products that I come in contact with that I love and that I want to introduce you guys to. Every month will be something different. The themes will be different, the contents of the box will be different. It'll be a mixture between beauty, lifestyle, health-related things, etc. So far I've shipped 2 boxes. The inaugural box went out in November, which was so awesome and exciting. You guys loved it. And the second one went out this month for January. So I'm really excited because the first box didn't really have much of a theme to it. It was just kind of my favorite things. But the theme for this box was something really interesting and fitting for the month of January, and you guys loved it, and I talked about it in my last video. And so I named this one the Black Box. So I knew I wanted to do a Black-owned business box at some point along this journey. January was the perfect month to do it because that's Dr. Martin Luther King's birthday and it's just before Black History Month, so it all made sense. I wanted to highlight Black-owned businesses who are contributing a great deal to our community. I wanted to introduce you guys to some new things that you may not have heard of. I just wanted to do my part to share my platform with some of these awesome businesses, to put them in front of you guys so you can't say you didn't know. So not only is this box filled with products from Black-owned companies, almost all of the companies in this box have Black female owners. So this is what it looks like. The theme of this box is Black-owned businesses, period. So every item in this month's box is from a company with a Black owner. And not just any Black-owned businesses. These are businesses that I was personally inspired by. For this month's box, I knew I wanted it to be all black. I wanted that kind of silver metallic detail because I love metallics. And I wanted it to really stand out and be bold and make a statement. So I wanted to call it the Black Box so that there's no confusion whatsoever about the contents of this box, okay? This box is really special to me, and for those of you who got yours, I hope that you enjoy it. Now let's go ahead and dig in. So I'm just opening my box here. Right when you open it, you're gonna see the tissue paper with the little sticker, and you're gonna see the envelope with the product descriptions and the note from me. So I'm not gonna go through that stuff for this video because I'll save that for you guys to experience on your own for everyone who subscribed. The first thing that you see when you do open the box, there is an insert by BodyWorks, which was the hair care partner for this particular box. So all the hair care products in the January box are from the BodyWorks Jojoba Monoi collection. And on this insert, the folks at BodyWorks were so kind as to provide a $10 off coupon code for you all on any purchase of $25 or more at EdenBodyWorks.com. So this is an awesome insert. So once you start to dig down into the box, you're gonna remove some of that tissue paper that I have on there for you guys. So the first product that I'm gonna pull out is this full-sized jug from BodyWorks. This is the Natural Deep Conditioner from the Jojoba Monoi collection. I love this product, you guys. I had to have it in here. I feel like for this box, it was kind of a winter hair care focus. So I wanted to give you guys some really good moisturizing, intensive deep conditioning products for your hair. Also for this box, I wanted it to take on kind of a new year, new me kind of perspective. So I wanted to include some things that would help you guys kick your year off to a good start. I love products from the Jojoba Monoi line. You guys, if you've been following my channel since the beginning, you know that BodyWorks was one of the first companies that I started to work with in terms of getting products for my hair. So I actually use these products today on my hair because I wanted to demonstrate to you guys how I use them and how they work for me. So with this Natural Deep Conditioner, this is kind of like your intense deep conditioner that you would use more for like your deep conditioning routine. So I usually apply this to my hair right after I shampoo it, and I let it sit for 20 minutes underneath my shower cap. Now I had mentioned to you guys in recent videos that my hair has been going through a ton of changes. It's going through like a crazy phase right now. A lot of damage, heat damage, postpartum shedding, breakage, you name it. So I've been keeping my hair care regimen really simple. The only thing I've been doing to it these past few months is just deep conditioning it wearing it in protective styles, and just kind of rolling with the punches. So deep conditioner is a must. This next product that I'm gonna pull out is the Revitalizing conditioner, which softens and repairs the hair, paraben and sulfate free, which is all I use. I don't use products with sulfates in them if I can. I mostly just reach for those without. And with this conditioner, this is one that you can use more on a regular basis. I really love the Revitalizing conditioner because it smells really good and it just really softens the hair and gets it ready for your styling products. So the way I use this product is I just put it on my hair right after my shampoo. Sometimes I'll do it right before I use my deep conditioner, and sometimes I'll use the two products together. It just really depends on my mood. Next, I'm gonna reach down in here and pull out the natural hair oil. This oil is for strengthening and shining. What I love most about it is that it has a spray applicator that's super clutch when it comes to applying oils to the hair, because sometimes you don't always want to be trying to pour it, makes a mess, you spill it, everything else. So when you have the spray, you have more control over the placement of the oil. You can isolate it to different areas of your hair. You can spray it right on the ends, you can spray it on your edges, or you can use it as kind of a finishing spray to kind of set your hairstyle. I really love this oil. I love the way it smells. I love that it's really lightweight. And because it's in a spray bottle, I feel like a little bit goes a long way, and this oil will really last a lot longer than the oils that you pour, because you're not encouraged to overuse it or use more than you normally would. And last but not least, I'm gonna pull out the Natural Moisturizing Shampoo. And this is specifically formulated for damaged hair, which is perfect for me. When I'm applying it, I like to focus it on my scalp, just to kind of loosen up that product buildup. And then I let the shampoo kind of run and make its way down the shaft of my hair, and then I rinse. The shampoo smells amazing, and I love that it contains oil, which is awesome when you're trying to cleanse the hair but you don't want to strip it of its natural oils and have it have like that squeaky feel. To me, that makes the hair more difficult to detangle. So I love that this shampoo contains oil, and it's definitely one of my favorites. So I feel like with all of the Eden BodyWorks products from the Jojoba Monoi collection that you get in my January subscription box, you'll be able to really establish an efficient routine for yourself. So if you're kind of looking to get a winter routine going, you weren't sure what products to use and how you should be conditioning your hair and how often, I feel like this will give you guys a really good start. And if you guys are interested in purchasing these products outside of this box, you can check the description below because I have links for you guys. So next, I'm just gonna dig down and pull out another item. Let's see, I'm just gonna pull out these two because they go so nicely together. So you guys are getting the Coral Oral Toothbrush and the Kissed by a Bee Charcoal Toothpaste. I was extremely excited about including these products in this box, and here's why. First of all, this is an amazing toothbrush. It's just simply a product that works and is effective. So I was really excited to include it for that reason. You guys are getting the soft one because that's the one I recommend for brushing your teeth. What's so special about this toothbrush is that it's manufactured by the first and only Black-owned toothbrush manufacturer in the world ever. It was so funny because when I found out about this company, I was talking with my sister about it, and I'd asked her, I was like, is it really 2017 and we're still having firsts of certain things for Black people? And she was like, yes. Now put it in the box. This was one of the most exciting products to include in this box for obvious reasons. So not only are you guys getting this awesome Coral Oral Toothbrush, you're going to be getting the Kissed by a Bee Charcoal Toothpaste as well. Now this stuff right now is all the rave. Everybody's talking about the charcoal toothpaste, and for good reason. Each of you got this jar of activated charcoal. Now in the back of all of them, it gives you instructions on how to use them. It also explains the benefits. But the way that you use this is you just wet your toothbrush, you dip it in here, and you just brush as normal. You can brush your molars, you can brush your front teeth, you can brush your tongue. It's completely safe for the mouth. What this stuff does is it helps to balance the pH inside your mouth. It also helps to whiten and cleanse the teeth. Activated charcoal is actually an antifungal, antibacterial type of product. So it's really good as an alternative to fluoride if that's something that you're not comfortable using. And it's also recommended that you use a little coconut oil with this if you like. So I hope you guys are excited about this product because I am. It's all the rave right now, and you guys got to get one. Next, I'm going to pull out this next product, which is the GemBlender. So this product I'm really excited about because the owner, creator, inventor of this item is a very innovative, outside of the box thinker, and she's also a YouTube beauty influencer. You guys may know Destiny Godly. I had the pleasure of meeting her a couple of years ago when I spent some time in Europe. She and I were there doing a project with a brand. I got to know her, and I was so excited when I learned that she had this product out, and I was surprised actually that more beauty influencers weren't talking about this or supporting her. I reached out to her immediately. I'm like, I gotta get my hands on this GemBlender that you have. I need to try it, I need to see. And I loved it. There's two things that I love most about this GemBlender, you guys. First of all, the fact that it is made from a non-absorbent material. I've had a lot of experience with beauty blenders and other sponge blenders, and they all pretty much absorb makeup, and if they're absorbing makeup, they're probably absorbing bacteria and germs and everything else. So I was really excited that these products are non-absorbent, so that means that they're probably a little bit more sanitary, easy to clean, easy to store, you name it. I also love that you can use it to apply almost all of your makeup. Anything from creamy consistencies, fluid makeup, powders. What I would recommend is that as you guys start experimenting with your new GemBlenders, you just try it with different types of makeup and see which ones work best for you. Now with this, you guys got a variety of different shapes and colors in your January box. And this was done so that you guys could really explore what GemBlender has to offer. I didn't want to send you guys all the same one. So I have a couple of different ones here, and I did try them all. So each of you got not only a GemBlender in a different color and different shape, but you got instructions on how to care for your blender and makeup application tips and tricks. This is something that is brand new. It's a new invention by Destiny. I'm so proud of her. So I just couldn't wait to come on here and introduce this to you guys and help to do my part in promoting it and getting the word out about it. So I used the GemBlender on my face today for this makeup look, and I really enjoyed using it. I love the soft consistency of the product. Like I said, I love how it didn't absorb any of the product. What you do have to be careful of when you use the GemBlender though is that because it's not absorbing any product, you may find that it kind of moves your makeup around a bit. So you do have to take a different approach. This is not a beauty blender. It's not something that's going to be absorbing and sucking up some of the excess product, so you do have to make sure that you don't use an excess amount. But overall, I would say with the GemBlender, your makeup application is a lot faster. You don't have to worry about wasting extra product. Super easy to clean, and I think you guys are gonna love it. Just make sure that you do clean the GemBlender before you use it, which is a part of the instructions in the insert, and it's also gonna get rid of that kind of initial smell right out of the package. So make sure that you do clean it first. You can use a makeup cleaner, you can use a hand soap, you can use your regular facial cleanser. All right, the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is something a little bit more on the organizational side for the new year, because I wanted to get you guys all set up for the new year. So I wanted to include something like this. This is a super awesome product I am so excited about. This is the I Love Mondays journal. It's a journal designed to help you maximize your week. I love that the name of it is I Love Mondays. This is a journal that has been developed by Dr. Karen S. Ratliff. She's the creator of this journal. What inspired me to include this particular journal is that Dr. Karen Ratliff is, first of all, someone that I know personally. She's my sorority sister. We went to college together. We pledged in the same chapter, so I do know her personally. She is a professor. She is an entrepreneur. She is a motivational speaker. She is a life coach. So she's a person who is more than qualified to be able to offer advice and recommendations around strategy and tactics for helping you guys maximize your week, your month, your year. So I was really excited about this journal because not only is it backed by someone who has done all of those things and has become very accomplished in her life, but she curated this journal. In this journal, you're gonna be getting tips and tricks, affirmations, inspirational quotes, all of that good stuff. So it's not just a journal where you just jot down some things. It's not just a planner. This is actually a motivational pocketbook. So any of you guys interested in just this journal, make sure that you do check the description box because I do have a direct link to purchase. And to go along with that journal, I wanted to provide you guys with something really, really cool. And that is this pen. This is just a really nice quality pen that I have customized for you guys to go along with the theme of the box and to go along with the journal. And it's something that you guys can have for a very long time. What I love most about it is that it's rose gold and it kind of has like that Versace print detail going around the top of the pen there. And so I liked it. I thought it was really pretty. I thought you guys would enjoy it as well. And last but not least in the box, you guys, there's this little package here, okay? So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Let me open this up. In here, you guys will find a short stack of what feels like flashcards, okay? And if you already have your box, you've already experienced this moment. What you'll find is that you've got this 2018 Mini Melanin Beauty Thomas & Coco calendar. This calendar has been broken down into 6 double-sided inserts, which I think are extremely beautiful and such top-notch quality. They're just so amazing. So this is the first insert that you will see, and it's the full 12 months, kind of just broken down. And I just love all of the different inserts that you do get. So they all have really positive affirmations on them, and each of the affirmations printed on each of the calendar cards are just super thoughtful and inspirational. and just really pretty. Like, I just love the way that the aesthetic came out. And the cool thing about these little calendar inserts and the way that I'm gonna be rolling is you can actually frame these individually. And if you only need to see 1 month at a time, even better. But I think another cool idea for this is if you wanted to put these like in your cubicle at work or on your corkboard at your home office, you can always line these up in order. But what I really love about them is that they can stand alone in a really nice frame and just kind of really be a statement piece, that extra little bit of affirmation that you might need to really get your day going. And I just really love these. Now, these little mini cards were especially made just for my Faves by Miss Vaughn subscribers. So these were custom sizes that were printed and included in this box. So if you guys visit the Etsy shop that I'll link below, you'll notice that the nature of the business is that these are self-printed. So you would go on the Etsy shop, you would select the design that you want, and you would be able to purchase that file for download, and you would be able to print them yourself. So these were especially created just for my subscribers, but if you guys are interested in getting some like this yourself, follow that link in the description box and you will be provided with a downloadable link. So anyway, it's just a bunch of black girl magic happening around here. I don't know if you guys can handle it. It might be a little bit too much. You might want to back away from the screen a little bit. I'm so excited about this month's subscription box, you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So I want you guys to get excited about my March box, which will be the next one that I'll be shipping out. That one is on sale right now, and sales will end on February 7th. So if you guys are watching this video and you are not already subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe before February 7th, because that's when I'm cutting off sales for the March box. If you are already subscribed, you don't need to do anything. Your March box is on the way pretty much, but I'm really excited about that one. That box is going to be gold all over, and it's going to be filled with some amazing stuff. It's going to really take a different direction from what we've been doing so far, and that's how I want this box to be. I want it to continue to evolve because my tastes will evolve, you guys' tastes will evolve, and these boxes are all about my favorites that I trust and recommend to you guys. So it's going to always change, it's going to always get better, and I think you guys are really gonna love the March box. So like I said, if you're already subscribed, just sit tight. You don't need to do anything, but just await your fabulous March golden box. But if you're not, and you're kind of on the fence and you're kind of thinking about subscribing, I would say do it before February 7th, okay? Yeah, so that's it for my unboxing video today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
You say bye, wait, well, my mind's dry, but you see what I'm seeing with my mind's eye.